Today I'm going to talk to you about Usnea Lichen. But before I do that, I do want to remind you that I am not a doctor, not a nurse, not a medical practitioner. I'm not in the medical field in any way. So what I'm telling you or sharing with you today is what I do for my family and for myself. You definitely want to do your own research on this, but this is a powerful antibiotic nature has provided for us. So before you go out in the woods and start looking for your own Usnea Lichen, you'll want to do some research because you need to be able to tell the difference between Usnea and regular tree moss. Old man's beard is another name for Usnea Lichen. With my dry Usnea, I'm going to put it into a 32-ounce mason jar, which is going to give me a quart. But as you can see, some of this was stuffed a little bit too much. I want about 3/4 of the jar full. As I'm putting it in the jar, it looks like it's really hard to work with, like it's really thick. But once the alcohol is on top of it, it actually floats around in there. It's very thin and mossy. After you fill your jar with Usnea, you'll want to pour vodka over it and bring the vodka all the way up to the first line, which is about an inch below the top of the jar. After you fill the jar with vodka, go ahead and put a seal on it. Make sure you write what the contents are, what it's used for, and the date that you put it in there. When you're finished, place your tincture into a dark, air-conditioned area and leave it there for 2 months. I personally have a pantry area that I put all of my tinctures until they're ready. And honestly, I don't always get to my tinctures right at 2 months. Sometimes they will sit for 3 or 4 months. Whether it's 2 months or longer, I'll know that at least the herbs have been extracted by the vodka and it'll be ready for use. I'm going to finish topping off this jar and then we're finished. This is definitely a staple for the medicine cabinet. I have 3 different antibiotics: hot herb, nasturtium, and Usnea Lichen. Usnea is by far the strongest, but my favorite is the hot herb. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.